I don't go joint. One of my man carry me go to smoke for the joint. We reach there. Now cripple wey leg no good. Now they advise me. Say Yahweh they come follow us smoke. If police come now, you go take run. Over this life, don't go impress anybody. If you the thief, no way to the thief. Somebody go thief goat. You don't know say a woman be wey change to goat where they go meeting. So as you thief the goat, Richards for money, the goat change to human being. So you take a roommate too. You no good anywhere. Who be those people? More know who they collect phone. Mangrove photography. Oh boy. No music anywhere again. As joke no day, na so music no day. Gospel artists go sing song, secular artists go carry the same song sing. You don't notice? Eben sing song. At the center of it all, is you there I see, is you there I see. Naira Marley then say carry and sing. Say sweet in the middle, you know. If you know, you know. They thief anything now. And I tell you be confident. You don't see your cripple, they confident. Nobody confidence part cripple. People will not get leg. I don't go joint. One of my man carry me go to smoke for the joint. We reach there. Now cripple wey leg no good. Now they advise me. Say Yahweh they come follow us smoke. If police come now, you go take run. I mean, when they tell and say, but your leg no good. He say if you be police, you go carry me. Man cry, worry the full station. Cripple. They ask one cripple, say, what do you want to be when you grow? They say, I want to be a footballer. Person with leg no good. So if a footballer, which wing you want play? He say, I want play 9. So you want play 9 now. He dey front, I want to score if then cross ball for you. He say, na smart thing now. Say, I go play first half. Because why they go cross ball? I want to collect the ball. He say, if then cross ball for me for 9. Now my right leg way good, the left leg no good. I go use the right balance, person flash am. For one leg, way no good. They come and say, I want to play first. They say, now my one leg no good. Now I go play first half, second half. I go use the leg when no good play. They go find another person. For my area where they say for Transamadi, now cripple get shoe pass. You go surprise. They go first come price the shoe with a drop. They go there for the drop. You know, go no say leg not good. They go drive, come the boutique, see one Air Force for outside. I say, how much be the shoe? You go tell them 12,000. They go say, no, go sell on 3K. You go say, no, they go drive, go for night, come outside, come thief the leg where you sample. Come back, come to say, hey, they be that shoe still there. You go say, they don't thief one leg, or you say me the other leg, 1.5. They've moved on. The only difference between we and those who were there abroad, just one difference, they're organized. You don't see where robbery they happen outside the country. The first way they do, even as the robbers they dress dope. You go see them wear jumpsuit, Michael Myers mask with Air Force. If they enter the bank, the music where they use the dope. Robbers, so the first thing that they look out for are CCTVs. And they just go first shoot CCTV. Boom, boom. Everybody lie on the fucking ground. Everybody go lie down. They go straight to Mr. Bill, where be the accountant. Open the fucking vote. Then they go straight to the vote. Go collect everything they want to collect. Most of the time, they don't even collect cash. They will collect documents and coordinate of island and all those things. Move. The cash now to just distract people. When they drive for road, they play hip hop. To pack song. Dear mama. They spray money, they go. One guy fixing as well they rob abroad and they rob for here. They carry gun, come to rob for bank. They find CCTV, the police can't carry him. You know, say for our country, they don't get CCTV. If they go, they shoot the wrong wire. Boom! Now outside Bob, wire be that. You shoot another one. There is a charge vibrator for the other bank. For Nigeria bank, they use wire. Thief, FCMB, they collect light from Sterling Bank. Shoot waiting, no consign there. Now you go find out say if they come out for the bank, even if they pursue the armed robbers, their place they well coordinated. Where are you? We are at the 4th Street. We are approaching the park. Suspect is in a white shirt and a blue jean. Do not shoot. There are citizens. They don't go shoot anybody. They know the coordinate because they number the place. Nigeria, if you want pursue thief as police, and I go first suffer enter another state, and I no go know. Because they tell the number our places for our country, they go see number 1, yeah, see number 2, come see number 22, come see number 14, you go front, you come see number 19, 200 and something. We have police, they pursue thief. If you go jam another motor. So police now, they pursue thief. Where are you? Say, we did a pepper soup woman side. Mona drive the car, we did a lele woman side. She don't meet 3-5, I not go fit reach jam. Mona turn round. Nigerian police.
Shout out to girls that like party. Every show I go, you must date, yeah. Every time I see you with artists, it's like you owe your own label. Do the X-rated for the paycheck. You get naked for the latest. For the